Good? Good. Okay, so for those of you just tuning in, I bought this rear drive belt. Is your bike gonna live? I didn't know it was this fucking big though. Alright, they're gonna do this one way or another. How the fuck? Yeah. Okay, we're doing this, buddies. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. I'm just gonna be slow fucking rolling out of here. I'm gonna jam it right there. Okay. Okay, so the wind's gonna be my helper here today. Not going too terribly far, at least. So that's what I've got going for me right now. So it's like when Grandpa tells you stories about putting dumb shit on the bike. This is literally what I'm doing right now. I'm Grandpa today. The wind helps. The wind really does help. Skirt. The wind helps so far. We're good. We're good. Literally dragging a fucking box with me to back home with my fucking drive belt in it, and this is not what I expected at all. I'm not getting weird looks though, so this must be normal. For my area, where I'm at right now, is normal at least. No complaints there. I hope you're getting good content out of this side. I sure shit know I am. Man, it's so weird having a big ass box over myself. Is this what it's like having a fairing? Ah, this is beautiful. Step one of my master plan is complete. Now I have the belt. I just need to like get it somewhere that'll change it out for me in a timely fashion. There's Pat's Roadhouse. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? $190 at the tax, and I'm already out here with the fucking thing on me. I mean, hell, I'll take it when I can get it without having to worry about shipping, you know what I mean? Whenever this light fucking turns, we'll go. Going that way. I see what he was doing now. He was getting an action shot. Alright, so my plan here is just slow down, hold the box, kick her into first, and then slowly hit the brakes until I can get to a stop. Oh shit, box, come back to me. This is so sketchy, dude! I don't want to lose my shit. Oh. Although this does open possibilities for me to like order pizza and bring pizza places, so. Why is she off the road? I was waiting for my dumb ass. Sorry if I'm not talking a lot. I'm trying to concentrate on not dumping my shit. It's a good thing I got long ass toes. Holy shit. I am gonna need to get gas though. I'm almost on E, which sucks, but so Babbitt said they were gonna do my belt when I had the tire off, but I couldn't afford it then. Now I have a belt for it, and I was actually there before I bought the belt saying, hey, do you guys like, you know, can you change the belt? And they're like, ah, go to Hot Rods. So they didn't even like attempt. So kind of sucks ass, but hey, it's whatever, you know what I mean. I feel like I'm getting looks from other bikers now. They're all noticing that. Oh shit, that guy only has shorts on too. What the fuck? Oh, this is so sketchy. Holy shit. Why are we on the brakes? We're only going 39. The fact that I haven't fucking lost this thing is a fucking accomplishment in itself. Everybody's fucking looking at me now, man. What the hell? Oh, this has been an interesting trip so far. Although, like I said, now I can bring pizzas places, you know? Like, I can just jam a pepperoni pizza on this fucking thing like this and call it a day and carry it. Alright, I'm about to the red on my gas tank, so I should probably get gas when we leave my house. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? I think this is the equivalent of like putting a mattress on top of a coupe, where it's not quite really supposed to be there, but it fits, so it's shipped, if that makes sense. Like, this ain't right necessarily, but it's what's going on. Oh fuck, sorry bike. But I'm almost home, so we're good. We'll be good. Promise we'll be good. Dude, this is like downforce. It's awesome. That was sketchy at best. Because I don't know if it's like the razor where you can't like bend it. It's like the razor. It's gotta stay like this or else it breaks.
Take it out of the box and like put it over the handlebars or something.